Hi, this is Brandon from Watches on You. Today we're taking a look at the Longines Heritage Chronograph 1940. And right away I want to remind you we're here at JB Hudson Jewelers in Minneapolis, Minnesota taking a look at this watch. They're an authorized retailer of Longines and many other premium brands. So another reminder I want to make is that we have now launched our own Amazon store where we sell much more affordable watches than the ones we typically review in our videos, and also straps and other accessories. So definitely check that out. I'll be leaving a link in the description to that as well. So now let's jump right into this watch. So as I said, this is the Longines Heritage Chronograph 1940. It's got a 41mm stainless steel case, and it looks very, very old even though it is a modern watch. I really, really love all the design features of this. It has a completely polished case, a beautifully finished movement. It is an ETA-based movement. It's the Longines Caliber L705, but it is a it has a 48-hour power reserve, which does surpass my criteria, and that is exactly at my criteria. I tend to only like watches if they have a 48 or above hour power reserve. But given that you can get a chronograph in this watch's price range, which is only $29.50, is quite impressive, and the level of finishing that you get both on the movement and on the case is impressive as well. I really love the vintage kind of appeal of this watch, and you have those beautiful gold hands on the matte dial. It looks very, very nice. It's not really a matte dial, it's more of a brush dial, but it is reminiscent of early Longines chronographs, which is very, very cool. So to demonstrate the chronograph, I'll push the top pusher here. It feels just like a Valjoux 7750, and again, that's probably owing to this watch's ETA-based movement. And I will stop the chronograph now using the top pusher again and reset using the bottom pusher. And it is a little bit difficult to push the pushers, but again, that's just a feature of the movement. I would have liked it to be a little bit lighter and easier to push, but you can't really get anything. And given this watch's extremely low price point when in relation to other Swiss watches, it's quite impressive. So now I'll move on to a wrist shot of this watch. So the 41mm case size would be pretty much perfect on anyone's wrist. Especially given that it's a chronograph. I tend to allow a little bit bigger sizes for chronograph watches just because they have to facilitate the extra subdials, but I think that this watch is an absolutely fantastic looking piece. And again, I have about a 6.5-inch wrist in circumference, which is I think slightly above average, but it would look good on pretty much anyone's wrist. So if you like this video, please remember to subscribe and share. Thank you.